earlier, no, we are in Kumerica, and then we are shooting a series. It's being produced by Lilwin, Kujun Cancer Lilwin, and it's been directed by Chief Loss Amwabin Virus, Senemekachi on the Works FFA. And then we are happy to see Zack GH on the set. When he said a couple of years back and forth, but we need to know then the course then this year. And then you have for Abe Juma Zack GH. You want to call about Poleeno Multimedia.
Major so
then I do we PA Kumerica because when you say they are all boy or
as you see, I me Hollywood, yeah. Me work crown still no say me American, me a citizen. Oh yes, you see I was Hollywood.
Okay, honey, Hollywood.
Hollywood.
Okay, yeah. Los Angeles.
Yes.
Hollywood.
Yes.
Okay.
You see and it's all about cocoa season.
Okay.
And we are all here to help our brother Kujun Cancer Lilwin.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
So how did this happen? Offer one I say one who say because
you see Obaya I think say when a lot of artists on board and then that shows us everybody Obi Wahabia no has been called to come and work. And you know as Mecca said, you know, movie and then music, you know, it's all entertainment.
Okay.
And then now, you know, the music industry is booming, and movie industry, you know, from Kakra, and then Mecca said, "Me, I not told it white to say, obey invite." Yes, said they be raising movie industry, you know. So we are all being called here to shoot a beautiful series title called Cocoa Season in Tinana. Me work Canada.
Okay,
yeah,
I can't hear.
Yes,
but
as a proud American, no, also me the invitation of my brother.
Okay. And now me ohwa random nya course na Kumerica ye den now te akrante ye den. Nti e ho na na say me na around Medina and am ko pake car na me say ma me starting boabo me ho na anope me fa emedura. Zack GH, nti me bisa our first question say den nti na oba ya na say obeboa onya say over the years, I think 2 years down the line, Oba enter chat.
Yeah.
Me and Michelle, so I will count 1 or 2 things.
Yeah.
Sorry, let me sit down so that we can talk more. I can't say not only when you are here, Juma, but entity Abba Multimedia. And see, when you are here, Juma, no. Meaning say they are friend couple, but when your issues are gonna for more all hand of fair and I'm paying for me. A frame settle and I want to settle my issue.
One thing I would say is me and my boy medium quick to judge. The past is gone.
I really like that.
Yeah, I'm
yesterday
telling you, and the past is gone and forward ever. Sometimes I tell people that I walk slowly, but I don't walk backwards. Okay. And my past is gone and the past is gone now. You solve your differences and everything is moving on smoothly. Said I don't want to go back to talk about past issue anymore because the more you talk about it, the more but peace has reigned, and that is the beautiful thing that I love.
That is the beautiful thing. To know be any I mean, we nipa.
Exactly.
6 feet.
Exactly.
And see, and fast and show me just let it go.
Yep.
People are quick to judge,
but we are not quick to beg. But if we learn how to be, we are quick to judge, and we learn how to be fast in begging too. It will help all of us because we are one people. We are all Ghanaians. You support it, and that makes it beautiful. We don't say we be an all crack customer. Oh, what a very powerful show to and always be social, be humble to people, the loved ones. And you know, me, I can say the fans out there are my stars.
Okay.
Men are here celebrating, but the fans are my stars.
Wow.
I'm not stars, no. Someone supporting me as a GH in New Bia.
You are too deep because always be as a me here on command. I say me tell on command. Me say you are too deep. I don't know where, and I say where when you're free. And he say also be a life coaching school, or start
motivating Crawford.
But that's issues are no banner.
Yeah man.
Even if there is issue, you know how to, talk and then stuff like that.
Thank you, bro.
So, are you going to direct, or not even direct, to manage Lilwin again? Is it going to be like that?
Right now, I'm under management.
Okay.
I'm under management. My background, my management nearby, and day in day out, they are rolling with me, and then. Management, Zack Nation Music. What's a Boss Nation? Boss Nation is a group of people, but Zack Nation Music, said this is what we want to do, and we are using your name, Zack Nation Music, to take over everything. So I'm being signed 5 years down the line. But I'm promising on your channel, sir, many cool. He's a brother, a friend, everything. Cool. Anytime Obertunsa frame it, this is our frame. We talk, but not people in him.
Yeah, that is
we vibe pa. We vibe pa. But I never be also the better one thing. What about social media? Now we are who they it doesn't help for whatever. What you say, and you know, anytime be Obertunsa frame be no, I will honor the invitation. And I'm so Obertunsa friend, and I'm a friend of Grana. He harness it.
Wow. That's amazing. I mean, you ain't me to train common because you was set so that I see didn't common and kaka. It's in repem no, you better actually.
But that's it. Corona is you bet you best sanitize.
Yeah. Corona ain't me. All right. I'm here. So I mean, I'm here there ain't me. So you are still here on Poleeno Multimedia. What you say? When you DJ Tezza, so I say. I mean. American I was so DJ Texas because Price FM there or born home Ajuma and then or supported the industry very well. Texas, now then I do be here.
Actually, me Claude Bio, me designer back.
Okay.
And I'm a buyer, so I'm a bit of business. It's never me train be it's me finish and
it's not only mobile torso.
Yeah, many message you made in the course had done it there by now expectation in your semester that bar.
Okay.
Timaba Manya Tusin on Quadia. I was a true supporting the idea.
America so cost in here. Are you going to support and I say Moja almost says say dinner call from Gacrancy, Moko radio Gramon Kawansem?
One thing I was saying is, oh, Kumasi, they were cranty, but Ubio Kumasi be a team shouldn't be any say. Meet and I say the whole week without Memo American. Okay. Yes, sorry, that bro. Yajiska. Didimbutum. That tracks in there. And I Mondays and Tuesdays for call Kumerica songs in Kwa.
Wow. Mondays and Tuesdays. That's too dope. I mean, DJ Tezda, son, I'm in a casa. As I said, no, we on set. And see, yeah, bunny thoughts. What you say?
Conconsa. Ajay. Ebusian for your mama kwaba about Poleeno Multimedia and they ya de conconsa Ibremo Midiane Irabe mini aba.
Ekia bebe nende conconsa basano. Ye chia kopie mu ewo kumase. Na ansema etiti wo kumase and de nya some kitwa ye Las Vegas. Me see ye bra Lilwin na kopie mu ho. Oh, test ni fe. Na when they kopie mu ho yes Zack the manager. Ye 2 years ago munya asem yo Zack akopie wo fe nya asem kuma kra obi wo onim Zack Lilwin the manager wa managing Lilwin for so many years. Lilwin ne koba ne shows obo ni na me say ye Zack o ye Zack amanta watewe bi bom ntem e ma Lilwin be ka say Zack nya ne manager na favor bi na no ma Zack keke ana me say asem yi free here panit na o kasem Zack nso be ka say na say Lilwin de onim hwe onim sinitwa ana me say sem dey na ekosui me say nya asem ketwa sem yi baye Facebook WhatsApp
Twitter Instagram baby na ho na osofo pon wo Ghana ase Pastor Nije Ogezi munim no papa peni Miss Bosofo ono so nsem bae no so di ne ho gimu Bra Lilwin ko pie mu na sorry dem no say wenya revelation say obi de Lilwin ejuma oye no obi de nsa atoso also obi de nsa atoso na penifo waka say shodi obenwo ono ano beyem shodi obenwo ono ano beyem one or say obi de nsa ato Lilwin ejuma so na enko ba yes Zack Ediness Lilwin akọ eduro so ama Lilwin of some person Lilwin ejuma koso na one asofo ni say wunim Zack Lilwin say Zack dey me manager me na ye ejuma for so many years and asofo say sure no obeyew obe one obeyew
nipa
nye
dabi
yes obo nipa ji receipt nipa ji receipt na one sem pay ya na Zack so tie no kwase manye ne de one no suko pie mu wo sofo yi so no say pastor maba konfo ko a me de Lilwin course no Eh, asem beba debi.
And yes, asem ni court ni na we nya
asem copy court na. Ebe ye koka na. Zack wini asem, o wini asem cause sofu ni to me antre konfo konti o wini asem.
Na konkonse ni na ende bro ni na ne say abewe yi ne puma every kwan so nende ena lewi ne twa ne sini wo Kumasi na Zack kopie mu ho lewi jine fe enya sam keto ese wani ensa okache
impeni focus mbi sen ko femi nu nya asema ye mfa ya no nkotu ma yes obe third person asemi ban na obidi na no kotu mu
anka sister
and then nyame adom
na makabo maye baako na misi mpenifo ni na be edi omanu betumu ka se eja ende ne I see the dada no eja omuntonto entomuntonto ne say kabom aba ama bibia atoso kama.
There is one thing that I always say, that when working with one or two people, we need to tolerate each other and respect each other.
Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel at Poleeno_com and Instagram at Poleeno.
Oh man, sorry.
Yeah, go. Pick up action.
Don't forget to follow us on Instagram at Poleeno.com and
on Instagram.
Pick up, yeah, go action.
Don't forget to follow us on Poleeno.com on Instagram and subscribe to our YouTube channel at Poleeno_com. My name is Ekia Bebe. You can follow me on Instagram at Ekia_Bebe_1. I was here with
Ira Abena. I'll be to me so the wajentre Abba. Bye.